Good morning, E4. I hope you're all doing well on this Wednesday. Sorry, I had to think about it for a second. I just wanted to update you guys on the grading process at the moment. I will be going up to school here in about, I have a Zoom meeting with my team at 10:30. So after that, I'll be headed up to the school so that I can get the paper packets that have been turned in by kiddos who don't have internet access. Once that happens, um, I will start uploading grades. It might not be until tomorrow morning that you see them in Skyward. So when I do, you will see one of three categories. Complete, which I think speaks for itself. Incomplete, meaning you turned nothing in, or when you did turn something in, it was completely blank. So that's an incomplete. If you turned something in, but it wasn't fully finished, then that is an in progress. So you should see a C for complete, an IP for in progress, or an incomplete for not turning anything in at all. So the only grade that will show up today, or I'm sorry, tomorrow when I do this will be um, the sonnet interview that you guys turned in last Friday, because that's all the work that I will have gotten back from the kiddos with paper packets. So I won't be uploading again until next Thursday probably, because on Monday those kiddos will turn in all the work that is due this Friday. Those of you who are using, and I know it's most of you who are using Google Classroom, continue to turn your work in. 4:30 is Google Classroom goes by like the school day, and 4:30 was the latest that I could choose for turn in. If you turn it in on Friday after that, because I know some of you guys are helping with siblings or you have jobs, and I hope you're being very, very, very careful when you are out and about. It's okay if you turn it in on Friday after that time. All right. So if it says submitted late, which it will, I know a lot of my kids, both E4s and Applet, they were panicking last week because of that. That doesn't mean anything. That's arbitrary and tied to Google Classroom. That is not anything that has to do with what I'm concerned with. As long as you are turning your work in, that's what matters. Also, I'm sure you all received the phone call or saw on the website or possibly also got an email. The school closure has now been extended through May 4th. If everything is settled by then, and guys, I just don't know. I keep getting lots of questions about M-Night and graduation. As of now, everything in May is still scheduled, but that can change day to day. Okay, the president had another press conference today talking about how we're not doing so great right now. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything for you, but I'm also not going to tell you, oh yeah, graduation's been canceled, because I've not been told that. You guys will know things as soon as we know things, I promise. If you all are confused about any part of the assignment, or the two assignments really for this week, just shoot me a question on Remind, text or Remind, or an email, and I will get back to you with that as soon as I can. If you would like to request a Zoom conference where we could talk about it face to face through the screens, I'm happy to do that as well. So I could host, one of those a week. If you guys would like that, let me know after you watch this video. If you'd be interested in doing a Zoom just once a week with me, just to check in, more than likely I would probably do that on probably a Thursday would be a good day for me to do that, because I'm thinking about all the other Zoom meetings that I have with my E4 people, with Mr. Davidson for Applet dual credit, with my English department, also with my literacy specialists that I'm working with at district, and of course, any faculty meeting that Mr. Martinez might schedule for us via Zoom, okay? So keep doing what you're doing. Please keep turning in your work. If you have any questions, email me or text me through Remind. And then again, if you all are interested in doing a Zoom on Thursdays, we could even start tomorrow. Just let me know, okay? And I will make myself available to you, okay? I hope you guys have a great Wednesday. Please stay safe out there, and I hope to see you sooner rather than later. Bye, kiddos.